Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today we are working on our jdoodle compiler. The tutorial for today is the implementation of case switch statements within the Java programming language. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to click on Java. But before going to that part, first you must know that jdoodle.com is an online compiler, and in order to open it out you have to write jdoodle inside the Google search box. Now you need to click on this Java program. Okay, now we have clicked on Java and we got our sample program. So we must know that our program must be written inside these main program. Okay, so we have to delete it out. Why? Because it is a predefined program. Now we need to write our own program inside these brackets, that is to program for case switch statements. So we will write here int e is equal to 1. Now what we have done, we have declared a variable with the name e, and what is stored inside the c variable, it is 1. And we have written int because we have to define the data type of this variable, that is only integer type can be stored inside this e variable. Now we will go for our switch statement, and it just worked like what is called as the if statement. Okay, so what switch statement will do, it will just check that what is inside this e. Okay, it will check what is inside this e, and if it is 1, then we will write case 1. Okay, that is case 1 means that if 1 is stored inside this e, then what the control will do, it will execute all these statements that are written inside this system.out.println function. So we can write first case. Okay, first case, and then break statement is necessary, and the control will get out of this total switch statement. Okay, break means that control will not again read this switch statement. This is for case 1. Now we will go for case 2. So second case, and if 2 is written or stored inside the C, then control will directly move to case 2. Okay, and execute what is inside this case under this case 2 case. Okay, so we will run it out. Now 1 is stored inside E, then we will see what will happen. It has said first case. Okay, and if we will store 2 inside E, then we will see. So you got that it has given us second case. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can use the case switch statement within the Java jdoodle.com online compiler. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.